guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just received my Jeffree Star mystery box. I can't even get it all in the frame. I hope that there's like a million things in here. If not, this is going to be a short video. I'll keep all the information down below in the description. Obviously, I'm going to tell it to you guys here as well. But if you just want to watch the video all the way through and then get the information, it will be down below. These are sold out pretty fast. It's limited quantities, so they go pretty fast. You have to be like ready to go, ready to shop, like right away. But he has done them more often now, so I just want to give you guys information so you know for a future mystery box situation. Prices and all that vary obviously, but you guys will get an idea. So I did get the biggest box because I have a problem. I'm just kidding. Well, kidding and not. I mean, let's keep it real. Who needs this much makeup? But yeah, let's get into it. So the biggest box was $160 plus tax. You do get free shipping with the big box. That was this time around. Again, you guys, this stuff will vary. I'm just giving you like, you know, an estimate of what you could expect. I don't know if all the boxes have the same sort of things. Like obviously less in the smaller boxes and so on and so forth, but in the big boxes you usually always get a clothing item, and I always get them medium for my husband because you guys know estoy gordita and si no me queda algo bien, I'm not gonna want to, you know, have it on. So I get it for my husband, and like he's super obsessed with Jeffree Star now and his hi how are ya. So I got him this in a medium. Again, I don't know what it is, but they ask you what size. And he's gonna be like, oh hell no. So I believe these are limited edition. I'll let you know down below if they are. But they are the tracksuit. It is the orange tracksuit. I actually think this might fit my husband big. He's a little guy. I hope you can also see how true of a highlight orange this is, like a highlighter orange. And it does come with this sweater as well. You guys will be seeing a picture of this on Instagram. I feel like he's gonna low-key love this because my husband be liking some bright colors. So far we have the jacket. The jacket retails for $55, and for the sweatpants, those retail for $45. So those two items are already what, over $100? $100? Yep. So there's that. Moving on, we have a yellow lip scrub. This one is cucumber mint. In my last box I got pumpkin pie. I still haven't had time to open it and see it, you guys. That is probably like the worst thing about buying so much makeup, is that sometimes you don't get to things until, you know, a lot later. No way, nada. Maybe you have to like, I'm gonna kind of dig in here. These are supposedly edible, you guys. It doesn't, okay, once you rub it, it smells a little more minty. Oh, and it tastes like sugar. It tastes like sugar and mint a little bit. Like, it's not as minty as you would think. But this is a lip scrub. This is supposed to be to get all the dry skin off your lips. And just to clarify, I don't know if you're going to be able to get everything sold separately. He runs out of a lot of his stuff. Whatever's available, I'll link below. And if I don't link it, you guys will know that's why I didn't link it. Okay guys, so I wasn't able to find the exact lip scrub, but the ones that I did find retail for $12. I don't know if that's all of them. I just did like a quick look, so I will do further investigation when I'm writing the description. If I find anything different, I'll let you know, but so far that's where we're at. So up next we have a Jeffree Star Reusable Straw. It is in that like highlighter orange again. It's super cute, you guys. And they do come with a little brush. Now these ones he doesn't sell separately as far as I've seen on his website. He sells them I think for by a 4-pack, and the 4-pack is $20, I'm pretty sure. So up next we have a Supreme Frost, and this one is in the color Caramel Kiss. I'm super excited for this one. It looks gorgeous. And it's actually a wearable shade. I mean, I tried the green one, and it's cute. It's a little bit extra glittery. I don't know if you could see that. It's a gorgeous color though. It is more glittery, and these ones retail for $32. Again, I don't know what's available on the website. Okay guys, up next we have a Jeffree Star lip pencil in the color Anna Nicole, and these ones retail for $18. Yeah, $18. I had to think about it. You guys, I have this habit of opening everything from the bottom when it comes to makeup. I don't know why, and then sometimes you get like that kind of trouble. But this is what it looks like. It is super cute packaging. I love his packaging. Some of it is a little bulky to like travel with and stuff, but you guys, I love makeup, and with makeup comes the component that it comes in, and I'm a sucker for packaging. So there's that. This Anna Nicole color is very like orange, like a reddish orange, but like also with a hint of like a hot pink almost. Up next we have a Jeffree Star liquid lip in the color Venus Flytrap. It's gonna be bright, you guys. Now you guys, his stuff is vegan free, cruelty free, and all that good stuff, so you can use these on your eyes and stuff. You always want to be careful, of course, but this would be like a really cool eyeliner or a good base for like an eyeshadow if wearing green lipstick is not your thing. It is a gorgeous color. This one retails for $18. Again, I love his liquid lipstick formula. I don't own a bunch, if I'm being honest. I don't know why. Honestly, I think it's because every time I go on the website, and the colors that I want are usually out of stock. That's really why. When it dries down, I'll show it to you guys a little bit more. Up next, we have a record. You guys can actually play this. This is a Jeffree Star Prom Night and Prom Night Mix record. Can I actually play this? I don't have a recorder, but can I actually play this? Like, I don't know, is this just like a cute little thing to keep? I feel like you can actually play this, you guys. But yeah, that's cute. I don't know if this like retails for anything. Let's look it up. I apologize if I just went orange. I tried to fix it. I don't know what's happening. I couldn't find any more information on this, so I think this is just like something special to the box, which is pretty cool. I'm being completely transparent. I don't think I've ever heard any of his music. So up next we have these. I think are exclusive to the box if I remember correctly. You guys, the unicorn, how cute. The metallic, I live. This one is in the color Zombie Kisses. It is a purple metallic color. If this is available on the website, I'll link it down below. I believe most of his liquid lips are $18, but check the description if it's available. You guys, again, if purple liquid lipstick is not your thing, you could totally use this for eyeliner, for eyeshadow base, for eyeshadow. Up next, we have a lip ammunition, and this is his lipstick formula. This is in the color Yummy, and this one is a lavender, well, lavender looking. You guys, I live for these highlighter yellow colors because I would never wear them, but they're so cute. Well, I'm not saying I would never wear them. I'm just saying, like, I wouldn't necessarily go out and buy. It is a pretty cute color. It is lavender with little metallic in it. Oh, you guys, this is a much more wearable color for people that like the extra little glitter and shimmer. I thought it was going to come out like super purple, but if you guys were doing like a no makeup look and you guys just wanted a little something, you can go super light and you can build it up to the intensity that you want. So that's kind of cool. Dab it in the middle of a more neutral look. It's going to be cute. Oh yeah, and the green, that's what it's looking like, completely matted down. How gorgeous is that? You guys, I live. Okay. Up next, we have, oh my god, the mini breaker. You guys, I have this one already. So I don't want to dab into it in case I ever want to use it for a giveaway. But yeah, this is the mini breaker. I do have this one already, so I'm not going to dig into it. I will tell you how much it retails for. It does retail for $28. Love the packaging, you guys. Gorgeous formula. I love it. Okay guys, so up next, I am like dying for this packaging. Like low key, one day I would love to have a room just like with these colors all over the place. You guys know, well, if you guys know me and my husband love love. We love hearts. We love Valentine's. We love guys. And this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetic Love Me Not. Look at how gorgeous this packaging is. Like a room full of this. Can you guys just imagine? I love it. This is his mini liquid lipstick collection. This one does retail for $52 if it's still available. Let's hope. And you get all these gorgeous shades. I'm not going to swatch these ones. I kind of want to just keep it new and in the packaging because I think this is so cute. His packaging is so good, and sometimes I'm like, it's not all about the packaging. Sometimes I would rather have it be totally about the formula, but I think he does both so good that I enjoy it. Last but not least, I believe I know what this is, and I knew it. It is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Star Mirror. You guys, they're just so cute, and then you can just have them laying around your beauty room or wherever you get ready, and they're just like cute. They go with the vibe, you know? So this one does retail for $25. I believe all his mirrors do. He has chromed ones. He has all kinds. So if you're looking for a good little hand mirror, check these out. I think it's totally worth it. I have a white one and it still looks great. Okay, the mirror's a little dirty, guys. Yeah, guys, so that is everything. Let me calculate it up and I'll let you guys know how much was really in the box versus how much I paid. Okay, guys, so based solely on the mirror, the liquid lipstick mini set, the mini breaker, the lip ammunition, the lip liner, the lip scrub, based on the stuff that's actually on his website that you can go and purchase, that is $303. But technically this was exclusive to the box, but if he sold it, I'm assuming he would sell it for $18. And then the Jeffree Star record doesn't have a price on his website. I don't know how much that would be, so I can't say. And then same with the straw. I have no idea how much he would sell one individually for, so I wouldn't be able to necessarily count that. But that would make this box worth $321 at the least, if you included that liquid lip price, because that's how much he sells his liquid lips for. So, and I paid $160, so I basically got double and a little bit more. Again, I don't know how much these ones would retail for. So this box was more Halloween themed. I don't want to sit here and say that all his boxes are themed, because if I'm being honest, I'm pretty sure I just buy them. That's just the truth. But guys, the tracksuit came in here. All these goodies came in here. I think that these boxes are great if you want to kind of like, I don't know, have fun with makeup and just try new things. But I do quickly want to say that I am just here for the makeup and like to have fun with you guys and stuff like that. I know people have drama, and I hate to do this on a Jeffree Star video because I do like him, but I know that some people don't, and you guys are in all your right to not like him. If I'm being honest, it's more of like the products. I love it. I love the packaging. I feel like you're getting your money's worth, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And so yeah, if I use something from somebody that you don't like, I'm sorry. I skipped that video. I apologize. I don't agree with everything everybody does and says. I'm just here for the makeup, and I get excited, guys, and I hope that you guys understand that. And I hope you guys enjoy it. But don't forget, subscribe, share, ring the bell, and let me know of anything else that you might want to see. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!